Hey guys, welcome back. We are putting up our Christmas village today. This is the next step in our Christmas decorating series. So what we have is a platform that is right above the closet in our entryway. We are going to be putting everything in here into levels, and I'll explain everything as I go. So let's get started. Now we're starting off with a flat platform, and we found the easiest way to build levels is by using cardboard boxes, whether they're Amazon boxes we have lying around the house or using the boxes that the houses come in themselves. A little different this year, we're actually putting the cobblestone mat directly on the wood itself, and then we're going to surround it, creating a snowy landscape using this white fabric. Now we found that going about 3 deep, 3 layers is actually going to cover up the boxes nicely, so you're not going to see any of the insignia or color coming through. And at this point is where you can start to get creative. Now we start grouping things together that make sense. So we put the mountain in the background and the sawmill off to the side. We put Santa's workshop or the elf toy factory up in the corner. And then we just start working our way down the mountain all the way to the town center. Now everything is in place and everything works. We're going to run all of the electrical plugs to one side right next to the electrical socket. And now that everything is plugged in, we are going to start to hide the wires. And we're going to use this film, almost like a pillow stuffing that is a polyester, and it pulls real nice and sticks right to the landscape, so it hides the wires really well. And the final step is your final details. It's where you're going to be placing everybody, how you're going to be telling the story of this little town. Get creative, create your own narrative, and have fun. All right, guys, and that's it. I can't think of a better way to say Christmas in this little village. This is the second year we've put it out, and it's quickly become my favorite decoration that we put out now. And this is just the second day or second video in the series of all of our decorating. The next video will be our trees and followed by decorating outside. So stay tuned for those. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.